Hi friends, today I am bringing you a comparison video of all 5 TVS Jupiter models available now. Video includes its features, price and colors. To decide which variant is best for you, do watch complete video. By 5 variants of Jupiter, I mean 3 main variants, which shown in the video, plus 2 sub-variants of these. I will explain each one in detail. These are main variants of Jupiter, that are Jupiter, Jupiter ZX, and Jupiter Classic. In addition to this, there is a base model to Jupiter model available called Jupiter SMW or sheet metal wheel, which have steel wheel and halogen headlamp, and that becomes lowest model in the series. Also ZX model have ZX drum and disc variants. Apart from steel wheels and halogen headlamp, Jupiter SMW has same features as Jupiter standard model. Jupiter SMW available in metallic silver and metallic titanium grey color. Now coming to base or standard variant of Jupiter. From this model all variants have 12-inch alloy wheels, LED headlamps. Other common feature across Jupiter series are 110cc BS6 CVT ETFE engine, 21-liter under-seat storage, front utility box, front telescopic suspension, adjustable gas-charged rear suspension, external fuel fill, center stand, and dual-side handle lock. Jupiter standard variant comes in all black theme, with black inner panel, black single-tone seat cover, analog speedometer, and optional mobile charger. All Jupiter model has advantage of metal body provide durability to vehicle. Jupiter standard variant comes in matte blue, matte silver, midnight black, mystic gold, pristine white, titanium grey, volcano red, and walnut brown colors. Next one in Jupiter series is Jupiter ZX. It comes in variants ZX disc and ZX drum variant. Even though ZX is mid-variant, it have maximum features in Jupiter series. Apart from 12-inch alloy wheels and LED headlight, ZX series have premium beige inner panel, dual-tone seat cover, semi-digital speedometer, front mobile charger, and all-new all-in-one lock. Next one is the leader of Jupiter series in terms of features and updates, which is Jupiter ZX disc model. It has disc brake at front, ITED silent start, IntelliGo stop and go feature, and premium chrome design. The features of ZX model explained detailed in previous videos. I will give link in I button and description for those want to know more about these. Now coming to colors, ZX model comes into limited color options as if now, that are shown in video, royal wine and starlight blue. Now let me show the top variant in Jupiter series, that is Jupiter Classic. Like ZX model, Classic also comes with premium beige inner panel and dual-tone seat. The difference are Classic model have tinted wine shield at front, have round-shaped full chrome finished rear view mirrors, also have a cushioned back rest handle. The all-in-one key feature of ZX not available in other models as if now. Others need to take key and put in rear keyhole to open seat and fuel cap. Other than colors, body design is similar across all Jupiter series. Jupiter Classic comes with standard keyhole, to operate ignition and lock handle, normal electric start and kick start, front storage space that is also available across series. Classic model have analog speedometer called Classic Dial Art, also have Eco Power mode, low fuel indicator. This one also come with front mobile charger, and retractable bag hooks as in ZX model. Jupiter Classic comes in autumn brown, India blue and sunlit ivory colors. Now coming to the price, the Jupiter sheet metal wheel available for 63,497 rupees, in which we get 110cc BS6 scooter with steel wheels and halogen lamp with earlier mentioned common features. Next one is Jupiter standard model, which is priced 65,497 rupees. For extra 2,000 rupees, we will get 12-inch alloy wheels and LED headlights. Third one in series is Jupiter ZX, which is priced 68,247 rupees. For additional 3,000 rupees, we will get semi-digital speedometer, beige inner panel, dual-tone seat cover, and all-new all-in-one ignition lock. Next one and variant with top features is Jupiter ZX Disc, priced at 72,347 rupees. For 4,000 rupees extra, we will get front disc brake, iTouch silent start, IntelliGo stop and go feature, along with other ZX features. Last one is Jupiter Classic, top variant as listed by TVS, and priced at rupees 72,472. In around 100 rupees difference, we will get tinted windshield, chrome mirrors, cushioned backrest, and retro look, but misses few cutting-edge features available in ZX Disc model. Finally, you can consider one of these according to your interest and budget if you are looking for 110cc scooter. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to get more updates.